Hey guys, um, today we'll be playing Will You Press the Button? If you don't know how it works, this is how the game works. You press the button if you will do whatever this says, and if you don't want to do what it says, then you press I will not. And anyway, so it's like a good thing right here, but then it's a downside. So like this one, I guess I'll get started to show you. You have the opportunity to attend a school of your choice or whatever reason, friends, wishes, reputation, work. But you may only use postcards and letters as your form of outside communication. Well, I mean, it's still kind of talking to them, so I guess I will. Yay! 55% of people did press the button. 45% people did not. Okay, next one. You have the opportunity to. Oh wait, it's the same one. Ugh, stupid ads. If it sounds a little bit different, when I'm talking sounds a little bit different, it's because I'm wearing my headphones. So it's like, my headphones have a microphone, but it's like so small and it shouldn't really work that good because it's just headphones. Anyway, you can see and explore any and all world's places, and from friction, your own imagination, or from history, but you cannot interact with them in any way. I guess so. Whoa, look at all those people. 72 people pressed the button and 28 did not. Oh my gosh, go. Okay. I don't know what this is. You're immortal, but all your relatives can only live up to 50 years of age. Should I press it? I don't know if I should press it. I'm gonna press it. Should I press it? No, I want the better for other people. Okay. You will have $100 million and the car of your choice, but you will have to live with only the left half of your body until the rest of your life. No. Ha! Look at all those people. Now you can read it yourself if you want. Pause the video if you want, but I'm going to leave in 3, 2, 1. Okay, next. You can time travel back to when you were a kid, but you can't return to the present. I'm kind of already a kid. No. For some reason, I want to be in the future, so no. Yeah. Oh, more people did the green. Yeah, I know it's 50-50, but look at the numbers before the percentage. Oh, wait, no. More people have not pressed the button. Okay. Add. Okay. I don't even know. I don't even know what that means. Okay, you will have powers that are only limited for your imagination, but everyone you have ever seen or known is wiped out from existence, and you cannot return. They cannot be returned with your powers. No. Like, I know literally like everyone in my school will be bland and boring, and plus I know like a lot of people and I don't want them to disappear. Okay, next one you would have, is that $2 million? I don't know, whatever. You have to smell socks of your dad for the rest of your life. I don't think my dad's socks can't be that smelly. No. Next one. And if these conclude powers, I mean, that's fine, but I just gotta make sure, like, I'm fine with living a normal life too. So, let me see my battery, because it's about to die, I think, soon. 3, I'm good. You are granted eternal life and health, but these gifts are also given to the one and only other person. Also given to one and only one other person, and you two absolutely, I guess that means hate one another. No. What? Yo, people crazy. Okay, those 66% of people, you're crazy, because you're gonna live. Think about this. 66% of people, if you're watching this, you know you're crazy, because listen. You are gonna live with no one else in eternal life except the person you hate for the rest of your life. At least it is 8. If it's like love or whatever, then yeah, I should have chose that. So if it was love, then I chose that, okay? I think this will be the last one, guys. I probably might die soon, so it's the last one. You become the king of the world, but you lose all your limbs in a chainsaw accident. What the? If you lose all your limbs, you're not gonna live. So, at least I don't think you'll live. So yeah, I don't want to become the king of the world. Yeah, oh, you guys are cool. You guys are cool. Okay, well, I can do one more. $1 million, doesn't even finish itself. It just says $1 million every day. Whatever. You will get $1 million every day, but the world will be in a world war. I haven't pressed the button in a long time. I mean, like, come on. These are really good, though. Can you pay money to stop the war? I don't think so. This one's hard. I'm not sure. I don't want the world to be in a world war. I mean, the money would be like, the stores would probably be like blown up. So I think no. That. Oh yeah, so thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and a comment if you need to. Bye!